Established in 2010. Jiangmen Sulong Vehicle Manufacturing Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise integrating professional R&D manufacturing. Sales of motorcycles. Sulong is located in Jiangmen High-Tech Economic Development Zone, Guangdong Province, covering an area of about 45,000 square meters. At present, Sulong has 3 60-meter assembly lines, 2 engine assembly lines, 1 packaging line and modern automatic testing equipment. Its annual production capacity reaching to 300,000 PCS of motorcycle and engines. Sulong has more than 200 employees, including professional management personnel, engineers, technicians and senior technicians, accounting for 50% of its total employees, which has founded a solid foundation for the sustainable and rapid development of the enterprise. Sulong now owns 4 registered brands: Apulio, Zone, Sunzaku, Kmotu, and 8 series of motorcycle-related products. The geographical advantage of locating in one of China's largest motorcycle production bases. The exportation of motorcycles has covered over more than 20 countries and regions like Mexico, Ecuador, Algeria, Dominican, Peru, Brazil, Cameroon, Kenya, etc. Sulong aims to meet the needs of various users. Provide quality motorcycle at affordable price. Customization for your market is highly welcome.